Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to divert incoming calls to another number on the Nokia 105. So first things first, let's head into the menu. Now in the menu, let's come all the way down to the settings here. Now we want call settings here, and at the very top call diverts will be there, and we want to go into that. Now you have a few different options to choose from: divert all voice calls, divert when busy, divert if not answered, divert if out of reach, and cancel all diverts. So we'll divert all calls in this case, so divert all voice calls. So we'll select that. However, the process will be the same whichever one you choose. So let's choose that, and then you want to activate it. So we'll select activate. Now you have two choices: to voice mailbox or to other number. And as we want to divert to our incoming calls to other numbers, we'll select to other numbers. So we'll select it with the middle button. Now we want to add a number. We'll just put some random number in here. Then you want to press the middle button. You can choose from phone book, but we'll choose a random number here. You can put the correct number in, obviously, if you're doing it yourself. Then you want to press done. It'll be requesting it, and then all your incoming calls will be redirected to that number. So that is how to divert incoming calls to a different number on the Nokia 105. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like button, smash the subscribe, and don't forget to check out this playlist here where we have many other Nokia 105 tutorials.